I love you. Please do subscribe.
Born, little lion came, a brand new dawn. Cyber warlock, my joy, my pride. You light the world, can't hide. 2 years strong, you're my song. Every step you take, I belong. Little lion turns to today, climbing mountains in your playful way. Cyber my heart, you shine so bright.
Lights dim, camera rolling. Here we go. A little channel.
These are dirty.
August days, a star was born.
Just wash them.
Little lion came,
Don't
a
mind
brand new dawn.
the charcoal. It was cold.
Cyber warlock, my joy, my pride. You light the world, can't hide. 2 years strong, you're my song. Every step you take, I belong. Little lion turns to today, climbing mountains in your playful way. Cyber my heart, you shine so bright. Every moment with you feels right. Tiny hands reaching for the sky. Laugh so pure, I can't deny. You're my reason, you're my truth, my endless love, my living proof. Cyberwar, you roar so sweet. Every milestone, my heart skips a beat. From your first word to your first stride, I'm right here, walking by your side. Little lion turns to today, climbing mountains in your playful way. Cyber my heart, you shine so bright. Every moment with you feels right. August day, a star was born. Little lion came, a brand new dawn. Cyber lock, my joy, my pride. You light the world, can't hide. 2 years strong, you're my song. Every step you take, I belong. Little lion turns to today, climbing mountains in your playful way. Cyber my heart, you shine so bright. Every moment with you feels right. Tiny hands reaching for the sky. Life so pure, I can't deny. You're my reason, you're my truth, my endless love, I live in proof. Cyber, you are so sweet. Every milestone, my heart skips a beat. From your first word to your first stride, I'm right here, walking by your side. Ooh, 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 ooh. Little lion turns to today. Today, climbing mountains in your playful way. Ooh, way. Sidewalk, my heart shines so bright. Every moment with you feels right.
Lights dim, camera rolling. Oh, the day was experience. Dreams won't wait, so take your chance. Helping hands, we're building bridges. Life's too short to live in glitches. Oh, got a vision bigger than this tiny screen. A world where love fills spaces in between. For the ones left out, for the ones unseen. Hope is the thread stitching every dream. When you fall, you rise. When you stumble, you try. Shake the dust, let it fly. Oh,
Indeed, it has been a long morning. Imagine I woke up at not 9, 6:25, 6:30 there, and now it's 9. It's 4. It is 10. Not 9. It is 10. Is when I'm heading to the clinic. We are going to the 14th week's clinic. Yeah. See you, Baba. I'm done. The baby's already vaccinated. Let's go. She got two different drops. That is oral vaccine. Then 3 injections. 2 in the right thigh and 1 left thigh. Yeah, those are the injections she got and the oral vaccine. So we are done for the thighs injections. Better now. We are at 14 weeks, so we are better. So let's go back home and do our normal work day. So the morning ends here. Let me see what is the time. 11:30. From today, I wished I had somebody to record, to film me, to take a record of my baby being injected that last injection. But I did not, and there was nobody in the clinic. I was the only one. It's just a local clinic. Even they did not have that surgical spirit. So my baby was just injected with the dry cotton. Yeah, wish I had a person. I wanted that clip to show you guys, but I did not manage. I just showed you after the injection. So today marks the end of those injections. They are so traumatizing. Especially if you don't have courage, you can't look. But from I do look sometimes. Yeah, I do look. People in the village have good houses. You see, like that one. Yeah. So this is not a slow village as that. At a point, it's somehow upgrading. Look, oh, highway, so nice. And after the injections, they say the baby gets fever up to 24 hours. Like if they have injected her at 10 until tomorrow at 10, so she will get some fever, she will be uncomfortable, but you do not need to give them a pain reliever after the vaccine. Maybe you give the painkillers before the vaccine. Yeah, that is what I was taught. But imagine, for my babies, I never give the vaccine. Like this one, she's just okay. Yes, she might get fever, she might be unsettled, but not much. Thank God for that. Or they are strong for the vaccine. Don't know, but she don't be fussy that much. And because we have done with the vaccine, maybe this, but we will be coming for the kgs, yeah. So now, from now on, it will be just kgs until 6 months. She get the oral again. I don't think if there will be oral again until 6 months, yeah. So after a year, maybe I will just be coming after 6 months. But from today, I will be coming like after every month, just for the kgs, weighing pounds. I don't know to compare pounds and kgs. Forgive me. Today she was 6 kgs or 6.1. Yeah. That was her kgs. They don't measure height here. They don't have that gadget. So we bear with them. I love this place. This place, I love it so much. Let me show you the young man a little bit. Then we head home. I love you. Please do subscribe and support your girl. Let reach me to 100 subscribers, guys. Reach me. I know you can. Help me reach there. I can get a gimbal, not a gimbal. Where I can afford that? Get a tripod so that I can be getting some good views. So let me show you the baby. There he is heading home, and he loves motorcycles. My baby loves motorcycles a lot. Like he can he can he can just be unsettled, but when you land him on a motorcycle, you are done. She will be just cool. That is our main road from my home. This main road will lead you to, when you go this way, you are going to, you might go to this way. You go this way, Karug, you connect to Kisia. So bye guys, let's meet on the next one. Bye, I love you.